What up? It's your boy PA, and today, I want to be seen. I want to be seen by you guys, of course, but I want to be seen by other drivers, and I actually want to see. With that being said, today's video sponsor is Auxito LED Headlights. They have saved my bacon more than once that I can count, whether it be sponsorship or no sponsorship. I have used them before in the past, and it was great that they reached out to me because my daily was in a desperate need of headlight housings or some sort of restoration, and also LEDs or HIDs. So you're gonna see me install those today. Super easy, plug and play, nothing crazy. And I also clean the housing so that way I can maximize the effort in that beam pattern and being able to see at night. I live in a back road that is dimly lit, and because I know where the turns are, that is what has saved me. But no more throwing caution into the wind. Today, we install these headlights, and you're about to see me do that pretty quickly. All right, the first thing we start doing is sanding the headlight. I started with a wet sand initially, and I also have a sanding block that I use. And I start with 180, 220, 360, 600, 800, and then I finish it off with 1K. In between steps, I have, like I said, that sanding block that I have in my hand, and then also take it off the sanding block because sometimes it gets in the way. But do a good sand both laterally and then going the other way as well, so that way you don't get as many streaks into the headlight housing. So like I said, I go left to right, up and down, and then also go diagonal as well in each direction. And you just want to make sure you cover that entire headlight. All right, now that you have sanded your life away and you want to give a break to your wrist, you go down to the solution area. This kit comes with solution, and it's this top secret blue juice. I have it up in this cup here, but you're going to pour 100 milliliters into this cup. And then you're going to put the top over it. You're going to plug in the adapter to here, and then you're gonna heat it up until you start to see steam coming out the top of this. After you see steam coming out, take this lid off, put this lid on, and you're good to go over the headlight. Not too close, but you're good to, let's say it's about here, you're good to go over it and see the steam cleaning the headlights, polishing them up essentially. So we're going to plug this in, give it, I believe the instructions say about 5 to 10 minutes, like I said, until it smokes. And we're going to go ahead and do it. And while that smokes over there, or we wait for that to smoke over there, we see our headlights fogging up or hazing up. We want to make sure that that's even. If it isn't even, then we go through and sand it a little bit more. Like I said, kind of doing this while we wait on that. So everything looks pretty even, pretty uniform. So now we just wait, or we tape up the other side, and we'll do that. All right, now that we have done the vapor, this is the end result. That light you see is literally the reflection of the camera. Look like brand new lights. And this is a 2006 Honda Accord. This is a daily. This gets used and abused every single day besides today. And yeah, this is the results of the vapor cleaning. I'll have the link in the description of what I used, and the kit actually comes with everything. Comes with the sandpaper, comes with the vapor solution, comes with the cup that it goes in, comes with the power adapter, and you can even plug it into your cigarette lighter. These are the results you can get from with recording this. It's been maybe an hour. These are the results you can get from your garage. And I want to say that this kit only costs like 20 bucks, maybe $23. Not much at all. You can also throw ceramic on top of this. I will let it probably cool for a little bit. But you can throw ceramic on top of this to lock in and enhance this clean, this shine, this clarity. But There's still halogen bulbs in this, so I'm going to upgrade these bulbs to LED bulbs. I partnered up with Auxito LED lights, and they've sent me out some bulbs for this car. I'm going to give my review on how the bulbs look, but the halogens look like this. Halogens look terrible on the car. It's hard to see. I drive a road at night to where I know where the turns are, so it's kind of dangerously safe because I know where to turn and stuff, but it is definitely hard to see. Without street lights, you are screwed driving this car. So with the LED bulbs, we're going to be able to see farther, be safer, and now that we've cleaned the headlights, there is nothing stopping that bright shine coming through. So I'm going to throw in the Auxito LED bulbs, show you the fit and finish of everything, and then also gonna link them down in the description below where you can get 10% off using my code. 10% off, and the bulbs are already affordable. So hop below, hit the link, help your boy out. It definitely helps the channel out. Well, enough talking, let me put those bulbs in. So I know it is not nighttime, but look at the difference already. That's put that headlight bulb in. I mean, you can already tell it's super bright. And then we'll go to the old. Look at that yellow mess. What you gonna see through that? Nothing. Then we go to the new skis. Oh yeah. You can see and also be seen. That is amazing. Like I said, Auxito LED bulbs, 10 out of 10. Would recommend. They also have a harness with them to make it plug and play if your car needs that. So here's the LED bulb, here's the harness. I mean, what more do you need? Plug and play. As car people, you know, that's what we want. We want to be able to make it a one-day install or 1 hour install. This took me 5 minutes, if that. So hop below, hop on the link, get one of these Auxito LED bulbs for your car. Let me know how it worked for you. Let them know I sent you. We're gonna go ahead and get this other one in. And I wanted to note with the Auxito headlight bulbs, LED bulbs, they have fans on the back. Nice build, nice quality. Doesn't feel cheap. I've gotten a bunch of cheaper HID and LED bulbs before and had to send them back. Pretty thick gauge wiring O-ring on it, which everyone should come with. But yeah, I definitely like the fan on the back. And when I tested it on the other headlight bulb, I could actually feel some air moving. So that was nice as well. Really short, compact. I mean, this is what it's replacing. Halogen. That yellow light. Then we got that super nice bright white. I can't remember which K it is. I'll try to put it on the screen. But it's pretty good quality. I definitely like it. It's not because they sent it out to me, not because it's a sponsorship at all, but just because I actually really like it. And I've been looking into these headlight bulbs to replace this for the daily. It's just perfect opportunity. So let's go ahead, throw these bad boys in, put the battery back in. And most other cars, you don't have to take the battery out for a headlight. I mean, but Honda, this is the one difficult thing you have to do. And that's the only thing I've had to complain about since owning this car. So not really much of a complaint. Let's throw these in.
Six and a half hours later.
This is such a crazy transformation. I can actually see now. This back road is usually poorly lit. It's houses or the cars passing by. 10 out of 10 recommend the Auxito headlights. So everything's wrapped up. We got the LED headlight bulbs in. We got the lenses cleaned up. Everything looks great for a daily to be back on the road out again, and you can actually be seen now. With that, cop some merch, theshopxpa.com. We got hats now, clubs and aces, motorsports, always bet on yourself. That is my motto. That is what I live by. And We got a CAM shirt, because that's what Clubs and Aces stands for in acronym form. It is CAM's, the original chop shop, because we love chopping some stuff up, baby. Cafe racers, bobbers, automotive, podcast now. Check out, you know what I'm saying, check out the shopxpa.com. Get some merch, shop. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, how I can improve, and definitely check out the Cafe Moto podcast. That's with me and my buddy Manny. We're going all over Tampa Bay trying to interview as many people as we can on the automotive culture and lifestyle, motorsport culture, lifestyle, builds, ride-alongs, just having fun, because there's a lot to offer in the city of Tampa. I almost said state, but Tampa is almost feels like its own state sometimes. But yeah, cop some merch. Check out some of the videos. Check out some of the podcasts. Let me know what you think. It's your boy PA. I'm not leaving the shop. Peace. Be good people.